Hey everybody, this is Royce here with the Gauge 3 Designs, and I am back with another episode. Today I have a living room space. It's lofted up top, cathedral ceilings. Like so, the living room portion is open along with this second floor loft. I designed this in Revit 2019. Actually, I'll take you through here. I'll show you right here. So here, designed in Revit. It's not completed, but I got to a point where I was happy with how the living room was going, and I liked I liked the lofted area. So it's this space here, um, and that portion is all open. And then we'll have the lofted area. You have your kitchen, dining, your foyer, and the lofted area is there. This is the second floor, and see the railing a little bit and the stairs that lead up to that lofted area. And let's take another view here. Let's look at I got a 3D view. It's a section. Let's see here. Okay, here we go. So this is a 3D view inside using Revit. Um, and I just imported all of this into SketchUp. And like I said, it's not completed. Like you can kind of see some roof protruding through, and that'll be trimmed off in Revit. But I just wanted to throw this in SketchUp so I can go ahead and do a render, try to get, see what textures I like and what materials I like. So yeah, let's go back here. All right, so it's all in Revit, but we have everything. We have our blank canvas, so we can go ahead and start applying Thea Render 2.0 materials. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, first, I think I'm going to start with the floor. And as you can see, if you look around here, we have a lot going on. I have my kitchen that I'm going to do later, but that'll be the next step. But first, I just want to render this scene. So everything that's seen in this frame is what I want to render, and then I'll go along and I end up hitting the office. I have an office here right off of the entrance. Um, make go upstairs, add some stuff. Um, down the hall, we got some extra rooms, got a master back there, and got two bedrooms here with a Jack and Jill bathroom. But for now, I just want to do this. So first, let's start with the floor. So I definitely want a wood floor. So let's go to online repository. Let's go to wood. And it will be wood throughout the whole entire home. And I definitely, in Revit, I created a 3/4 thickness to represent wood paneling for the cathedral ceilings. Not sure, but let's just go ahead and try the wood we just used on the floors and see how that looks up there. These scissors cut trusses I want to be painted white. So we'll just go to matte white. Oh, didn't select it. There we go. Just go ahead and hit these. I think I want to leave that white. Or probably it'll be a different color, just not the wood. Actually, let's go ahead and see what this wood is looking like. Oh yeah, I should set the lighting first. So this is what we have inside the room. So let's go ahead and apply some lighting emitters and just add some lights in here. But from the little bit I see, I think I'm going to really like this wood. Not sure I'm going to like it on the ceiling like that. So that may just be painted white or something. So I'm just go ahead and add a white texture on that. All right. All right. So let me go ahead and find some recessed lighting. Alright, just find a reference plane and flip this. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's add some emitters to this. It should be a component, so it should change everything. Alright, let's add an emitter here. Alright, let's go ahead and run the render and see what we got. Okay, yeah, I like it in those spots. Alright, good. So now let's go ahead and get some light. And I think I'm going to do two different types of light. So here we'll do a subtle drop, just a subtle light, not too much light, but do that. And let's go ahead and pick a light. I thought number 10 was what I wanted. Let's see. 18 is fine. Set that at 20. All right, let's run a quick render. Okay, nice. Nice. Perfect. Bring that down just a little bit. Copy, paste, add it here, paste, add it here. Run a render. Oh yeah, yeah, not too much. I just want it just like that, because back here we'll add more light and up here we'll add more light. So let's continue. To use two different lights, we'll just select light again, click the same type, and we'll just bring it back here. And let's just drop a bright light back here for now. And we'll set this one at 11, I think, and we'll make it 40. Okay, let's go back to our scene and let's see how that light looks from back here. Oh yeah, nicely lit. Let's see if we want to bring that light back towards us also, or if it is too bright. I'll just copy, paste, let's go back to scene. Where's my camera? Look around, there we go. So let's go ahead. Something like this, but I think I want it up a little higher. Make sure I don't have it in the roof or anything. Okay. Let's try that. Let's see how it lights up this area. Nice. Okay, I think I'm going to bring it out a little bit, or I may add another, because this is a big room. This is a big living room. Let's see. Let's copy, paste. We'll go from here to there. Flip it around a little bit. I don't want to interfere with the lights under the loft floor. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Nice, not too bright. Bring it down just a tad bit. And I think I'm going to add another light above this closet here also. This one down a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was a nice call over the door here for the closet. Yes, I really like what's going on, and it's going to capture what I'm trying to capture. Um, I'm not trying to get too much. Like I said, the home isn't completed. I just wanted to get a taste of some materials to see what I want it to go with. Ceiling, I want to do something. I'm not quite sure yet, but we'll keep going. So let's see here. All right, let's start adding some texture to these walls. Let's hit these stair risers and these landings, and let's go with the same type of wood we have on the floors. Nice, nice. I may add some more light back there. Nice. I think I'm gonna go all white there, and let's add some wood to this railing here. And since I'm gonna do the white, I'm really liking the white. I'm gonna go ahead and use wood for these roof trusses. Make it pop a little bit more. Yeah, it stands out a lot more against that white wall. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The only thing with all this being white is like some things get lost. Um, like you have your French door here. I think I need to add some trim around it. Is we'll just select the color, paint. Then we're going to edit. And we'll match the color of this floor. There we go. So it doesn't have the panels on it. It'll just be one complete color, and I really, really like that. That looks really good. And do this couch and hit the dining table and add some blinds, and we'll be about done. This all white leather here. All right, let's see how this turns out. Oh, that backside is still. Why is that backside that color? I mean, it has the right idea. I do want that to be a different color, actually. Component. Let's try that. Let's try something. Reverse faces. And we'll also make that the same color. And if that doesn't work, I may need a new couch. There we go. Okay, it might be too bright, but I actually like it. I really like it. And I can't wait to complete this whole house. There's still some more work in Revit I need to do as far as the home construction, but I wanted to get a good idea of what I wanted for here. This helps out a lot. Um, Things that I want to add, like some baseboards. Let's go ahead and add some baseboards and some trim up here. More trim there. But yeah, this looks really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks.